Look at here.
On the left side.
Say with words. Yes, you have to use say with word. This is a function for calling a function. है ना Aman? This is a block for calling a function. We need this, and we need this for print something. Here is a empty block. You can use this for statement, isn't it? Okay. Do this, beta. First, you have to only do these two blocks. This one, this code, and this code. Okay. No need to focus over here. First, you have to complete this. Then we will go further.
Okay.
Okay. Say something. Say something.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Wait. I will explain you second one. Look, Amal. Look at here, beta. Look at here. Azan. Look at here.
Okay.
Wait. What is the output? Look. Say something. Okay. This one is our first one. Okay. Say something. Say if wait. I will use over here. Write something. Because saying हमारे function का नाम है तो आप लोग थोड़ी confused. Write something. अब यहाँ पे focus करना देखो. पहले turtle आएगा. Write something then circle आएगा. Isn't it? Why?
Yeah.
Because I am using over here turtle for say function, and say to function I am using circle. Isn't it, Amal?
Yeah.
ठीक है. One more thing. Why hello world is in next to next line? Because I am using over here different x-axis and y-axis. Isn't it? ठीक है अमल. Different है ना. देखो यहाँ पे x-axis कुछ और है और यहाँ पे कुछ और है. ठीक है. One more thing. Here is a font size 20 or here is a font size also 20. If I am writing over here 25, so what will happen? 25.
It will be bigger. I did it like this. I kept on repeating this like this.
Very good. It's a nice idea.
Miss, I have a problem.
Yeah.
I'm not able to find say with words.
Okay.
Oh, it's in functions. It's in functions.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's a calling of function.
I will.
Very good, Amal. ठीक है.